Rain-fed cultivation. Mulberry cultivated in both conditions, that is irrigated and non-irrigated condition. Near about one-third of mulberry area in south and central states belongs to this category. For better leaf yield and quality of leaf, mulberry cultivation is done in following ways. First is selection of land, second is preparation of land, third one is planting material and planting, fourth that is initial care and fertilizer schedule, and the last one is pruning. So the first one is the selection of land. The flat or slightly slopy land is suitable for mulberry cultivation. Also, sandy loamy soil is also preferred for mulberry cultivation. Mulberry is deep-rooted, perennial, long-standing, hardy and monoculture plant, so the soil should be fertile, deep-rooted, well-drained clay loam. Now, for preparation of land, planting should be undertaken during the start of monsoon. Therefore, land preparation should be start in pre-monsoon period. Deep digging or plugging of land to a depth of 30 to 35 centimeter is recommended. The field is then left exposed during summer to kill weeds and soil-borne insects. Pit systems of planting with wider spacing should be adapted for rain-fed mulberry. The size of pits are 35 centimeter into 35 centimeter into 35 centimeter, means into length into breadth into depth, are dug at a 90 into 90 spacing. The pits are then filled with mixture of soil and 2 kg of FYM, that is farmyard manure. One can use compost or vermicompost in the pit to get better result. This is for the preparation of land. Now shift towards the planting material and planting. Generally, mulberry cuttings are used for planting, but sapling planting is better. The branches of 6 to 8 month old and 10 to 15 diameter are selected for cutting preparation. Each cutting should be 20 to 22 centimeter length with minimum 3 to 4 healthy buds. The cut should be clean without damaging the bark or wood. 3 cuttings are placed in each pit with a spacing of 15 centimeters between cuttings in a triangle. The full length of cuttings is pushed into the soil, leaving only one bud above the soil level. Cuttings in the nursery are placed 6 inches, that is 15 centimeter into 15 centimeter. Watering should be done regularly in order to keep the soil moist. This enhances the faster root development. The figure showing the planting of mulberry. Now, what is the initial care and fertilizer schedule? When the new plantation is of 2 to 3 months old, intercultivation is done by weeding through a light digging of soil and applying the first dose of NPK at 25 kg per hectare through any complex fertilizer like sulfur or Vijay. Weeding is again done after 3 months of first weeding, followed by second dose of nitrogen at 25 kg per hectare, either in the form of urea or ammonium sulfate. This would enable the plants to grow well and establish fully. Now, what is pruning? Pruning is a just removal of undesirable branches of mulberry plant with the following objective. First one is to give the plant a proper shape and size. Then second is to improve the leaf yield. Third one is to improve the quality of leaves. Fourth one is to adjust the leaf production to synchronizing the rearing. Fifth is for easy leaf harvest. Sixth is to divert the energy of plant towards the optimum leaf production. So mulberry is perennial plant, so pruning is necessary to maintain leaf yielding capacity. It is very important that first leaf harvest should be done only after 8 months after the planting, and first pruning should be done after first harvest of leaves to allow proper establishment of plant. This will increase the efficient root system and hardy stem. For rain-fed mulberry, in which the pit system with wider interplant spacing is adopted, the plant are pruned only once after the onset of monsoon, and bottom pruning by cutting the main stem just 5 to 10 centimeter above the ground level is carried out. The plant is allowed to grow a height of 240 centimeter with a tall crown and spreading branches and plenty of foliage until the next year. Now, what is the pruning method? Which methods are used for pruning? Pruning method includes three methods: bottom pruning, middle pruning, and collar or strip system. Bottom pruning, the plants are cut at ground level, means 10 to 15 centimeter cutting is done above the ground. This type of pruning is done once in a year. Middle pruning, the branches are cut at 40 to 60 centimeter above the ground level. After bottom pruning, middle pruning is done. Collar or third one is collar or strip system. This type of pruning is done in closely planted area. The branches are cut at the ground level every time. This pruning is done 5 times in a year. Thank you.